Lisbon. So let's do this and walk around. Alright, so I went to the main boardwalk. Nice square here. Well, I managed to fly a drone. I'm not 100% sure I can. I'm really not sure. I think with living in Spain for 2 years makes me paranoid about everything regarding flying the drone. But I think I can, so I made few shots, but I just didn't fly for that long. And well, now I'm gonna find some place and have, let's say, a second breakfast, since the first one I had like 4:30 a.m. And I'm gonna have to wait for my friend anyway. There you go. You got this old tram. I guess you can take a ride for €4. Okay, so I'm trying the traditional sweet here in like a mantecheria fábrica de pastel de nato, and it's in Belem. Nice place. And these 4 things was €4.20.